No resume? No problem. If you're looking for real work-from-home jobs that pay you to type and don't require traditional applications, stay right here. This video is your shortcut to getting started. Hey there, welcome to Nail the Next Step, your resource for building quiet, flexible income streams from home. No fluff, just real remote opportunities. Let's get started. These jobs are ideal for beginners, side hustlers, or anyone in transition. If you've been rejected over and over for lack of experience, this is your reset button. Remote data entry provides a real chance to earn without the usual obstacles. Whether you're in a new country, returning to work after a break, or switching careers, the barrier to entry is low. You don't need a degree, connections, or corporate experience. What matters is reliability, accuracy, and willingness to learn. This is why data entry roles remain one of the most accessible paths to flexible online income. Data entry isn't just typing. It includes transcribing, labeling, formatting, product listings, spreadsheet edits, even basic AI task support. A lot of people think data entry is outdated. It's not. With AI and e-commerce growing, the demand for human-verified data is exploding. Job type number 1, microtasks. Click workers, Sprout gigs, remote tasks, micro workers, perfect for quick entry and no resume requirements. Microtasks are small digital assignments that take just minutes to complete. For example, you might label objects and images, verify phone numbers, or categorize text. A typical microtask pays between $0.05 to $0.5, but the key is volume. Users often complete 50 to 100 tasks daily and gradually scale up. These jobs are beginner-friendly and flexible. You can stop and resume anytime without penalty. How microtasks work. You log in, choose a task, complete it, get paid. Tasks may include sorting images, labeling content, or reviewing small pieces of data. Some platforms let you preview task instructions before you begin. Tasks are usually rated for accuracy, so pay attention to details. The more tasks you complete with high accuracy, the more complex and better-paying jobs you'll unlock over time. Jamal started with remote tasks after moving to a new country. In 3 months, he built enough experience to land a longer-term freelance gig. Job type number 2, freelance data entry gigs. Fiverr, People Per Hour, Upwork offer services like Excel formatting, CRM updates, or form setup. Some gigs may take a while to get your first client. It's normal. Use that time to polish your profile and explore other gigs too. Imagine setting up your first Fiverr gig titled, "I will format and clean your Excel data." You write a short description, add a sample spreadsheet screenshot, and set your delivery time to 24 hours. Within days, someone orders a task, perhaps reformatting a client list or merging duplicates. You deliver, get a 5-star rating, and gain visibility. This is how freelancers grow, one review at a time. Over time, you can raise your rates and build a steady stream of clients. Profile setup strategy. No resume? No problem. Your Fiverr gig is your resume. Use screenshots and sample task explanations to build credibility. Build a quick one-pager portfolio using resume.io or Canva. Even a simple project tracker works. If you're unsure what to include, start with a sample project, like a mock data set you cleaned or a table you formatted. In Canva, choose a clean template and add screenshots, results, or before-after visuals. This helps potential clients visualize your skills without a traditional resume. Tools like resume.io offer guided layouts if you prefer something faster. You can also upload your portfolio to Google Drive and include a shareable link on job platforms. If this is helpful, hit like and let us know in the comments which job you try first. Job type number 3, form filling and CRM entry. Companies need help in putting data into Airtable, Trello, Notion, and Zoho. You'll be cleaning records, tracking tasks, or updating spreadsheets. Let's say a business coach hires you to update her Airtable CRM with leads collected from a webinar. You're given a spreadsheet with names, emails, and notes. Your job is to organize the data, assign follow-up statuses, and clean duplicates. It's straightforward work, but saves her hours. What to expect on these platforms? These jobs may be listed as virtual assistant or data support. Look for hourly or project-based listings that emphasize accuracy. Many of these roles require attention to detail more than technical skills. Being dependable matters more than having a fancy resume. Job type number 4, Product listing. E-commerce store owners on Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon are always hiring help to input SKUs, pricing, and product descriptions. Where to find them? Search Facebook groups, onlinejobs.ph, and Upwork. Use keywords like Amazon VA, Etsy listing help, or Shopify data assistant. Mistake alert number 1, skipping the description. Even if they don't ask for a resume, you need a filled out profile. Add your typing speed, tools you've used, and basic data work samples. Mistake alert number 2, ignoring small gigs $5 tasks build your review score and confidence. They also teach you platform navigation and client expectations. Job type number 5, search and categorization work. App and TELUS International Lionbridge often include training tasks with quick onboarding and no resume needed. Alina, a stay-at-home mom, took one of Appen's search evaluation tests. That part-time gig helped her pay off a $300 credit card balance in 6 weeks. Practice tools that improve your skill set. Typingtest.com, Google Sheets, Notion templates, ChatGPT for reformatting. All free, all valuable. Set aside 15 to 30 minutes a day to improve your speed and comfort with data-related tools. On typingtest.com, aim to reach at least 45 to 60 words per minute with 95% plus accuracy. Practice simple spreadsheet formulas in Google Sheets like equals sum, equals if, and data validation. Download free Notion CRM templates to understand how structured data is tracked. You can even use ChatGPT to help restructure disorganized text or format summaries into bullet points. Job type number 6, data cleanup. Duplicate removals, column alignment, format fixes. These are simple tasks but in high demand. Post these services on Upwork, Fiverr, or pitch directly to bloggers, coaches, and e-commerce sellers who manage mailing lists. Job board filtering tips. When browsing job boards, use filters: no experience, entry level, or no interview. Look for remote filters and typing-based skills. Mythbuster, you need high-speed internet. You don't. For most of these jobs, even mobile tethering works if you have a keyboard and some patience. You can perform many tasks offline or with low bandwidth. Platforms like Clickworker and Appen often allow you to download tasks and work asynchronously. Transcription jobs that involve typing from preloaded text or data cleaning in spreadsheets require minimal internet speed. You don't need Zoom, calls, or live streams. Just a stable way to upload your results when you're done. These are the real entry points into remote work. They're not flashy, but they're real, quiet, flexible, and accessible. Want to shortcut the process? Download the Smart Ear Job Search Guide. It has job search checklist and an online job search cheat sheet to build your profile fast. Additional platforms to explore: TaskRabbit, TrueLancer, Guru.com, Colabtree. Also feature short tasks and admin gigs with easy entry requirements. Start with a free typing test. Practice on Google Sheets. Create your one-page profile. List a gig on Fiverr. Apply to 3 microtasks per week. If you're overwhelmed, don't try everything at once. Pick one job type and focus. Mastery of one entry path beats dabbling in 5. Grab the free Smarter Job Search Guide, link in description. Try one of the 6 job types covered today. Now comment, which job are you starting with? Subscribe for next week's video. Online jobs that only require typing, no interviews. I read every comment. Let me know what country you're watching from and what job you're exploring. I might include it in a future video. This channel is here to help you build remote income, quietly, flexibly, and powerfully. Let's nail your next step, starting today.